How to create Douyin account, Chinese TikTok sign up. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Douyin account that's the Chinese version of TikTok. Stick around till the end so you don't miss out any crucial steps. So let's jump straight into it. First, you need to download and install the Douyin app from the App Store or Google Play. Once that's done, open the app. Here, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of the screen. This is where you'll either log in or sign up. Now, if you already have a Douyin AC account, just tap on Login. Here, enter your details and log in. But if you're new, go ahead. The app will now ask you for your mobile number. First, tap the country code and make sure to choose your country. Then, type in your phone number and hit Next. You'll receive a verification code via SMS. Just enter it to continue. At this point, you can also choose to sign up using WeChat, QQ, or an Apple ID that linked to a Chinese region. Here, I am using my Apple ID to sign up. After that, it's time to set up your profile. Add your username, upload a profile picture, and enter your date of birth. That's it. You're now ready to explore Douyin, watch videos, follow creators, and even post your own content. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more tech tutorials. Catch you in the next one.